Breeding racing pigeons is a fascinating
Pigeon
endeavor
Sport's pH.
that requires careful selection, breeding strategies, and management practices to produce top-quality birds for competition. Here's a basic overview of the process. Selecting breeding stock.
Pigeon Sport's pH.
Choose pigeons with desirable traits such as speed, endurance, navigational ability, good health, and strong homing instincts. Look for birds that have performed well in races or come from proven racing lines. Pairing birds. Pair pigeons based on their individual strengths and weaknesses.
Pigeon Sport's
You may
pH.
want to cross birds with complementary traits to produce offspring with a balanced combination of desirable characteristics. Egg incubation. Once the eggs are laid, ensure they are kept warm and turned regularly during the incubation period. You can use an incubator or let the parent birds incubate the eggs themselves.
Pigeon Sport's
Chick rearing.
pH.
After hatching, monitor the health and development of the chicks closely. Provide them with a balanced diet rich in protein and vitamins to support healthy growth.